like killing my high, like, I'm not even high, I'm drunk, but like killing my fucking buzz and like destroying my vibe. Congratulations, you just destroyed somebody's vibe by being a dick. You know what I mean? It's one way to like destroy someone's vibe by doing nothing wrong. And like, who cares because you didn't do anything wrong, but you're literally actively seeking like me to be bothered. Like you want me to be upset. And that's the problem with you, is like you're a loser. Cause you're just going around fucking making people upset. Honestly, go to bed. Go to bed. Do it. Because why not? You know what I mean? Why not? Pathetic. No, they're killing my fucking vibe. It's whack. It's very, very, very lame and very, very fucking not cool. I'm trying to, dude, I'm so proud of my fucking painting. I'm so proud of my little painting, and everyone's in here just like saying lame shit. I don't even remember what the person said that triggered me. I don't remember. I'm like too lit. It literally doesn't matter, but fuck you. I hate it here! Ah! Did it disconnect?